Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by confirming your phone supports HDMI output, MHL, Slim port, or native display port. Gather a compatible HDMI adapter, a short HDMI cable, and power bank or USB-C power if adapter needs external power. With phone unlocked, connect adapter to phone port, then plug HDMI cable into adapter and TV's HDMI input. Switch your TV to that HDMI source. Once done, make sure the adapter shows power. A slow detection is normal. If prompted, accept any output to external display permissions on your phone. Now fine-tune resolution and orientation. Open your phone's display settings and look for cast, HDMI, or external display options. Select the connected HDMI output, then choose resolution. 1080p at 60Hz is ideal for most TVs. Pick 720p if performance lags. For apps that don't adapt, enable Force Desktop mode or try rotating the phone to trigger orientation change. If audio stays on phone, set HDMI as output in sound settings or within the Media app. To finish, secure cables and test content playback. Lock the phone to prevent accidental taps, then play a video or slide deck to verify smooth audio and video sync. If the picture has black bars, adjust aspect ratio on the TV or change phone's display scaling. When you're done, disconnect HDMI before unplugging adapter from the phone to avoid glitches. Troubleshooting tip: if no signal, try a different HDMI cable, use a powered adapter. Reboot both devices, and check that the adapter type matches your phone's protocol.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.